Hey everyone, let's talk about disaster readiness and risk reduction or DRRR. It's all about being prepared before disasters strike and reducing the risk they bring. Disaster readiness it means having emergency kits, evacuation plans, and knowing what to do when hazards like earthquake, floods, or typhoon happens. Risk reduction is about long-term safety, building stronger houses, creating safe communities, and educating people so we're less vulnerable. Why is it important? Because disasters are inevitable, but their impact doesn't have to be with the RRR. We can save lives, protect property, and bounce back faster as a community. So remember, prepare, prevent, and protect. Disaster readiness and risk reduction isn't just a subject in school; it's a life skill we all need to know.